Hay bro, Kürdistan yazıyor. Senin Kürdistan'ını sikeyim orası bir
What's
çocuk.
wrong with you? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Bro, Kürdistan. Kürdistan,
No.
Kürt.
No. Fuck Kurd.
9 cihattannem, balıktannem.
Racist.
Yeah.
You're racist,
Yes,
yeah?
bro. Yes, bro. Yes, I am racist amına koyayım.
Why you racist? Why you racist?
Because Kurds bad people.
Kurds bad people.
Yes, bro.
So your mind, your brain is this small, yeah? This small.
Yes, bro. Aynen,
Yeah.
aynen.
You agree. You agree. Your brain is very small.
Mhm.
Yeah. Small brain.
But my dick is so big. Oh, bro, I'm reported you. Go fuck yourself amına koyayım.
Report it. Report it all you want. What are you gonna report it for? What are you reporting it for? For what?
Your flag is no have country, bro.
Omi TV will look at the report and go, "Oh, Kurdistan flag, no country, ban him." You think this? You have no idea what you're talking about, you little child.
Bro, no
Absolutely
country.
beautiful.
Kurdistan, no country.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. If it's
You're
no country, no
fighting-
country, why are you angry? Why are you angry if it's no country?
Because Kürt is stupid.
Why are you angry? Why does this make you angry?
Kürt stupid and I am teach how this